separated, like, I think 13 years ago, 12 years ago. Yeah. I know how to speak Waray-Waray and I know how to speak Bisaya. My dad is Waray-Waray and my mom is Bisaya. Under the San Juanico Bridge. Really? You were able to experience? It's the longest bridge in the Philippines. And it's very, Ang sabi mo? Nag-live ko. Sa mo? Wala may laing sudaan ko. Really? I don't know if it's, from Gubat. I don't know that place. From my dad's place to Tacloban, it's 1.5 hour van. So I'm really not familiar with the places in Tacloban. But I know Tacloban, but only Tacloban. The other part is no.
Broke my heart.
Na broke your heart. So you know how to speak in Waray-Waray? Opo. Gubat is forest.
Topek, mommy.
Gubat is the Tagalog of forest. This dried fish is yummy, but then again, the smell you will not like. You will not like the smell. It's Escobar 940 diamonds. Sorry. Hala, thank you. I can't take a screenshot. My hand is so. Thank you, Pam. My quota, it's like around 4,600. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Ooh.
Sorry, ma.
It's okay, baby.
1,880,000.
This is a new challenge. The girls will eat different kinds of food. It will either be something delicious or something very
That's a very,
nasty.
very big money.
We will have different sizes
Or
of
he
food.
won on
Big, medium, and
Gumball.
small.
Do you play Gumball?
Well, what do we have in the first round?
Do you play Greedy?
Well,
Or something like
candy toilet. That's pretty cool. What about Brittany? An average-sized
Ew.
toilet. And sweets, of course.
You don't Gumball. It's really a pure recharge.
It's incredible.
Wow.
Well, I will
Most
be the
of
first
the supporters
one. Okay,
here
buddy.
play
We had a
Gumball.
nice conversation, but I need to try
Only
some
few
candy.
like you who recharge talaga.
It's so funny. And actually very sweet. I've never eaten from a toilet before.
Yeah.
Whoa. Something's
There's
wrong.
only few.
Monica, your lips. They're like a rainbow. Cool. It
Jackie,
is Brittany's turn.
what time is it in your face, Bob?
There's so much candy.
Is it like midnight or early morning?
I know there's a lot of candy.
Or you just
but
got home
first,
from work?
I'm gonna pour it onto the table.
10 p.m.
Then, let's divide it by
It's
color.
still early. Saturday night.
Guys, I'm almost done.
And you don't have work
Oh, come
tomorrow.
on. That's it.
That's why you're here in Vigo.
Now, I'll eat each track with the help of a straw. Let's give it a
I see.
try.
Sunday night, so you
It's
have
not
work
only
tomorrow.
delicious, but also
I
fun.
think you need to sleep.
I wonder what will happen to
You need a
Brittany.
beauty rest.
Whoa.
Beauty rest.
Your outfit and hair.
Yeah.
It's changed color. Very beautiful. Your hair is red.
Yeah, you need to sleep. You need
Let's
to
move
rest
on.
because you're going to work
What
again for
awaits you now?
5 days. So, they
Let's
need to
see.
sleep na.
Whoa, green hair. Very nice.
Kuya, inside.
What are you gonna do
Kuya,
now?
inside.
Okay.
Kuya.
I'm so hungry. Hey, Brainy ate it all.
No, I don't ask you to leave naman. I did not say na, oh, you leave na.
No.
I just want